Hey, what's going on guys? This is Vicky here, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make up to $800 for every single sale. And you can do this program guys even if you're a complete newbie, even if you don't have any technical knowledge, and even if you haven't done any affiliate marketing before. Okay, so this is very easy system that you can use and make up to $800 per day. And I'm gonna show you everything step by step. But before I show you, let me show you the results that I'm getting and many other people are getting. Okay, so as you can see guys, this is $800. So I got this commission, and this $800 came from just one single sale. Okay, as you can see, $800. And then there is another person. As you can see, this person, she also made $800 for one single sale. Okay, like as you can see, call center income. So I'm gonna show you what is the call center thing here. And then there is another person, she also made $800 in her cash app. Okay, so basically in this system you can get paid in cash app, in your gel, in your Venmo, PayPal. You can use any payment method. Okay, so all these people are making $800, and I'm making $800 using this high ticket affiliate marketing. So now let me show you this system. Okay, so when you will click the link, you will land on this page. Okay, this is the first page of this system. Okay, and if you click show me more, and if you scroll down, you will see this step here which says call our support team now. Okay, and you will see this ID number and this phone number. So let me show you the back office of this program here first. Okay, so this is the back office of this program, and as you can see, it says page link. So here you don't have to create your own website. Okay, they provide you done for you website. Okay, you just copy these links and you can promote your affiliate link and make sales. Like if I show you, I like this landing page. Okay, capture page number 3. If I show you this one, let me copy here and let me just paste it here. So you can see it says shocking system is pulling in an amazing $200 to $800 per day on autopilot. Okay, so people will fill the form. Okay, they will put their name, email, and they will land on the sign up page, and they will sign up and you will get sales. So these are the done for you landing pages that you can use. And if you click on get started here, you can see these options. Okay, so here you can add your payment method, manage payment. Here you can change your password. Okay, and now if you click on here CRM manager, you can see these autoresponders. So this program called Digital Wealth Pro, as you can see here, and it does sends email follow-up, but if you want you can also send your own email follow-up. Okay, you can use Aweber get response, or if you don't want, you don't have to. Okay, it's not compulsory. And then if I show you the products here, as you can see, there are 3 levels. Okay, the first level is bronze level, and these are the products that you get under the bronze level. Okay, and if I scroll down, this is the gold level. So these are the products that you get under the gold level. Okay, and if I scroll down, this is the platinum level, and this is the product that you get under the platinum level. So you get multiple products under each level, and these are the training courses. Okay, that you go through, and you learn so many things about affiliate marketing. So what I did is, like if I show you the platinum label, it has the startup cost of $800 plus 197 is the admin fee. Okay, similarly there is gold level and the bronze level, but currently I'm at the platinum level. Okay, and the good thing about this system is that it is just one time payment. Okay, you don't have to pay monthly fee, and there is not any further upsell and further upgrade. It's a pure one time fee and you are good to go. Okay, so currently I'm at this level, platinum level, and what I'm going to do is, if you are interested, go ahead, click the link below and sign up. And what I'll do is I will offer you few bonus at the platinum level. Okay, I will buy 100 buyer clicks to your affiliate link. Like if you go on DWP back office here. Okay, and if you go to your capture page. Okay, if you go to your capture page, so what I will do is, this is your affiliate link, right? So what I'll do is, since you are coming at the platinum level, I will buy 100 clicks to your affiliate link. Okay, so you can get fast sales and fast traffic to your system. Okay, and then second thing what I'll do is, you can get my this video. Okay, without my face. So you can simply just add your own picture in the video, and you can upload this video in your YouTube channel, and you can get traffic from YouTube, and you can make sales from YouTube as well. Okay, so I will give you the raw file of this video, so you can add your picture and you can just upload it in your YouTube. So guys, this is the bonus that I'm helping you so that you can make faster sales. Okay, so guys, if you want to make these big commissions like me or like these people here, okay, go ahead, simply click the link below, and you will be able to get traffic and make sales like me and like all these people. Okay, and a very cool thing that I want to share with you is this system has a call center. So like if I show you here, if I click on this call our support team, okay, you can see this phone number, right? So what will happen is you will send the traffic to this page, and the company will close the sales for you. Okay, the company will close those leads on phone, and you will make commission. So you don't have to talk to anyone, you don't have to message anyone, just send the traffic and boom, you will make sales like me and like all these peoples here. So guys, if you want to make a commission with this system, with this high ticket affiliate marketing program, then go ahead, click the link below and create your account. See you inside.